Hello YouTube, I just got my new iPhone 3G. It's very nice, 16GB, and the case I bought in the shop, it's only cost $12. In Apple Store it costs nearly about $25. I don't know why they're so expensive. And I even changed all the function and sounds, the ringtone. As you can see, first of all I changed this, and then I slide it, and then I had a lot of things. Or I sing it in from the iTunes. I don't need to pay it, because thank you for the YouTube, it teach me how to do it, and thank you the guy that teach me how to jailbreak from YouTube. So all it's a ticket from IBA, so it's fun. I have a lot of game, ice log, radio, motorized, band, my favorite, and I changed all the ringtone. So all ringtone I changed it by myself. So this is a scary one. Okay. That one is not.
Starry, starry night. Paint your. They ask me how I knew.
And this is my favorite. And I even changed the SMS tone.
Message! 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 Message!
And this one. My favorite.
You have a message.
And also I changed the key back number sound, but it's very small. You can't, maybe you cannot hear it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This sound is from the human. It's not just like the tone doot doot, not anymore. When I press 1, here say 1. And actually the Apple, he doesn't issue this iPhone in Malaysia, and I am from Malaysia. I am using the Malaysian message card, so I've just put in the smart SIM in. I don't need to unlock the iPhone, just need to jailbreak. I install, I got a CD, so then I even can use it in Canada. See, I got the signal, it's very nice. And one thing is, when I turn off my iPhone, the sound will become like this.
Holy shit.
Wow, it's fun. Wow, this is my iPhone. How amazing. Thank you everyone. By the way, you should go to shop to buy this. It's only cost $12. Very nice.